Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and let us spread the gospel together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, let us spread the gospel together. Our topic is Lemon Balm, Healing and Renewal. Lemon Balm, Healing and Renewal. Lemon Balm, Healing and Renewal. Lemon Balm, into bracket, Melissa officinalis has long been treasured as a gentle healing herb. Into lemon balm, lemon, it's the lemon, aye balm, the young coon, the semana, send ye be aye bisano. Ya yebi, into uye bia, na lemon balm near the year, the ya have been room, ya the young coon, ya the semana, ya the ye balm, and I say that ye soup, ya the ye will be net I get yaresa adia, Emma body na aye kama. To the more as a boy physical, as a boy spiritual. A boy physical and spiritual. Lemon balm. Number 1, healing for the body. Lemon balm no, lemon no, lemon no, a man body ni enya, no, your body ni enya yaresa. Traditionally, lemon balm has been used to calm anxiety and nervous tension. The anxiety so be anxiety ni women. Lemon balm they used to calm anxiety and nervous tensions. The bois. Number 2, support restful sleep. Tise obi na lemon balm yetimi ya de ma osra unyusu odi bi sra ho anyway I bet ma de ye wurowura dompe ho na mu ntrimu na eyi bre ene ho ni we na ma wetimi ada for most what da better. 6, digestive discomfort. The lemon balm you cry no ye fa lemon balm na haban lemon ni we no get boy it boy digestion ni we mu lemon ni we mu boy digestion nko ne ba. Spiritually, lemon balm restores. Lemon balm restores. Lemon balm represent number 1, calm in the storm. Into how be a woman na Abraham or how na say amani be to renewal after excavation. Tie eno no aboa renew nyam bebre abra wona mo how no so hwe biem no. Gentle heal rather than forceful connection. Ti nam sa yare kakra hum na sa yare hum yare kakra lemon na aboa ma hum yare don be da so be efu so akọ. Peace rooted in trust. Ti aboa ama bibia kama eyi yare o ha musu kwana na efu so. Eyi yare o ha amane kwana na nyine efu so. Asama waso ndie aboa lemon balm aboa nipa ama nipa nya yaresa. Ye bre aboa yaresa. Aboa onipa ama onipa nya yaresa. It lemon balm no eya yaresa ho adwuma bebre adema onipa. Awurade nshira, awurade nkan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and let's spread the gospel together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us spread the gospel. Lemon balm, healing and renewal. Awurade nshira no nkan. Amen.